everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, I want to share with you a low to high clothing haul.
So until then, just wait.
If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry. Today we're doing a haul, but mostly handbags. I really love those a lot. If any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like, and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the video. So I know my last like 2 videos ago, I know it was also a haul. I do apologize. I did not expect the summertime sales to just be such a vibe. So I got a few more things. Now, most of these are actually pretty reasonably priced. 2 things that I'm really excited for were like on super sale, and I got them for like $35 each. It was crazy. There is one pretty expensive item in this haul, and then the rest are, well, there's 2 really pretty expensive items in this haul. And then the rest of them are relatively inexpensive, or like kind of like in like the mid tier. And I do have a couple of things that are not currently in my possession right now, but they should arrive before this video goes live. So whenever they do arrive, of course, I will show them on the days they arrive. And of course, all links will be in the description for you if you also want to do a little shop-a-shop. Yes, they will be listed there. But let's get into the first thing. So let me just start off with the things that I actually don't have with me right now. I think 1 or 2 of them are coming tomorrow. One of them I got from Farfetch. The other one I got from Aritzia. Let's see, is the one from Farfetch arriving tomorrow? It says it's in Nashville, so it might arrive tomorrow. Then the other one is definitely arriving tomorrow. So the Aritzia item that I have, I'll put a picture right up here. It is like an Aritzia tank top. It's just a black tank, kind of like a racerback, I think, kind of tank situation. I thought it looked really cute, and I wanted another black tank top. I don't have a black one, really. I have a white tank top that I got from Free People. I do have a black one, but it has like booby pads inside of it, and sometimes I like wearing it, sometimes I don't like wearing it. So I wanted to get this black one just to have and wear with like my cute little sets that I have. So I'm really into that. Of course, if it does arrive before this video, it's gonna arrive tomorrow, so I'll film it for you tomorrow when it gets here. And here is that black tank from Aritzia. And this is really nice. I got this in a size small. Maybe I could have even done like an extra small in this because it's very, very stretchy. I thought it would have been like a more tight material. It's definitely not. It's very, very loose and stretchy. So I definitely, if I get another one of these, I'll do an extra small just because I like my clothes to fit really tight. I don't know what it is. There's that as well. It looks really nice. The other thing I have that is, it could arrive tomorrow, so that would be nice. And it is, oh my God. Okay, I bought these pants because of Alyssa Lenore specifically. She wears these like Ralph Lauren white pants a lot, and I have been trying to find them for a very long, well, I've been trying to find them for a few weeks, and when she would talk about them, she would always say they're sold out. I happened to just be kind of scrolling through Like to Know It. I love that app, and I had just seen a picture that she had posted, and she was in those pants. On Like to Know It, sometimes it'll say shop exact products, and then it'll say like shop similar products, and I really wanted those exact pants because I have so many outfits that I could wear with those white pants. And it said shop exact products. I clicked the link very quickly, and it did take me to Farfetch, and I did find the Ralph Lauren pants. Here's what they look like. I'm so excited about it. Because I'm like a silver tier member, I guess, I had like some rewards, and I was able to get free shipping on 2 orders. So I got free shipping on the Ralph Lauren order, and I was able to use a discount code also. And the size that I got was also discounted because size 6 was cheaper than like the size 4. So I was just like, you know what, let me try the size 6. If it's a little big, whatever, if it fits perfectly, then that's gonna be wonderful. So discounted price, free shipping, and I use a discount code. So I was able to get it. I mean, it was still pretty expensive, but I was able to get it at a pretty nice discount. So again, here's what the pants look like. I'm so excited for these pants. And then you guys, here are the pants. They came in just now. I put them on. Remember, I did get a size 6. They are a little bit see-through. Like, you can like definitely see my underwear. I'm wearing black underwear, so that kind of sucks. And also, these pockets are not real. I'm so mad. I'm actually so mad about that. But the pants themselves are really, really nice. Like, I really like these pants. I did, again, get a size 6. So the size 6 is way too big. I absolutely was like nearly falling out of them. So I decided that I'm not going to send these back. I'm just going to belt them every time I need to wear them. Because I like wearing belts. I'm glad it has an option for a belt, like a belt loop. So I think like a brown belt would look really, really good with this, or even a black belt. So I'm not too mad about it. When I belt it, it fits completely fine. I don't know what this website was saying that the other model's waist was 23 and wearing a size 4. They're probably falling off of her too. But she was also wearing a sweater. But I don't know. I do really like these, so I'm not gonna return them. I just am forced to wear a belt every time, and I have to wear nude underwear and not black. And I did also get one more big ticket item, if you will. Well, the Aritzia thing, the Aritzia tank is definitely inexpensive. I got it for $18. It was on sale. I believe it was like 20 something dollars, and then it was on sale for 18. So I do have one other sweater coming in from Sense, and it's a Toteme sweater. And my husband actually got this for me. He was very, very sweet, and he said that he wanted to get me something just, you know. So he got me this sweater from Sense, and it was on sale as well. And I'm so happy it was on sale, because the last time I looked at this sweater, it wasn't on sale. And it's like, again, $650. So it was on sale for, I think, like 300 bucks. And then I also used a discount code with that too. So I did get it for, it's still pretty expensive, but I did get a good discount on it, so I'm very happy about that. Well, my husband got a good discount on it because he's the one that bought it for me, but I'm very excited about it. So this sweater I love, love, love so much. I had no idea that Toteme made the cable knit sweaters in like a brownie color. Oh, it's beautiful. Hello. My brown sweater just came in. I apologize if the lighting's kind of dark. It's storming outside, so we don't have too much lighting, but yeah, it's literally just like the black and cream colored one that I have. It looks the same. It's very nice and I like it a lot. So yeah, that's just what the brown one looks like. So now I have the cream color, like the off-white. I have the black, and then I will get this one in at some point. Anyways, those are the items that I don't yet have in my possession. So let's just continue on with the stuff that I do have. First up, I got these two beautiful silk button-down t-shirts from Banana Republic, and these were on super duper sale, you guys. I got this white one first because I liked the way the white looked and I wanted a silk white shirt, and then so it was on sale. I think they're originally like 60 bucks each, but it was on sale for like 36, and then you also got an extra 15% off with this one. So I got this one for like $35, and then this one I went on the website a few days later because I really liked this latte color as well, but I wanted to get the white first to make sure that I liked it. I got this latte color as well, and a few days later they had upped the extra discount to 20% off. So I got this one for like, I got this one for 35. I got this one for maybe like 33. Two for the price of one technically, because one is normally 60. So two for the price of one. We love that. I haven't shopped at Banana Republic ever. Except for these two items. I have like never shopped at Banana Republic because I feel like it's like my style over this past year, I feel like has evolved to be more of like a, not a super mature style, because I wouldn't wear like a tweed jacket or anything like that. That's too formal for me. But you know, I'm more into wearing like black pants instead of wearing ripped up jeans. I'm more into wearing silk button downs instead of wearing a crop top. You know, at this point, my style has evolved a little bit into like a business casual situation. So they're a little oversized. Both of these are in a size small, and there's like definitely a bit of extra fabric. It's not oversized enough to where it would be a dress. That's not it at all. So you would still have to wear some kind of pants, but you can tuck it in, and I've been really loving to do like a half tuck recently. I think that looks really, really nice. Alrighty, this next thing right here I am so excited about, and it's actually my last clothing item in this haul. The other two things I have here are shoes. Winston, it's very loud, baby. I'm sorry if you can hear my dog in the background. He's playing with his bones, so I'm sorry if it's kind of loud. So this next item, I feel very lucky to have this item because it sold out so fast, and I have to give the biggest shout out to Cassie Thorpe because she posted on her Instagram stories the link to this item. I clicked on it and I saw that they had it in a 38. I guess this is French sizing or European sizing. I think it's French, but they had it in a 38 and a 36. And I was just going back and forth between what do I need? Which one do I need? And I ended up going with the 36. And here it is. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm so jazzed. I love this so much. This is from Off-White, and it is like, they call it their like second skin bodysuit. It's not a bodysuit. It's just like a long, like a shirt, and it has like 3/4 inch sleeves. Is that what it's called? It is so freaking cool. Where's the front? Oh, this is the back. Okay, so it needs to come this way. I love this top so much. It got like orange and like gray and green and black, and it is such a cool top. The coolest top one has ever seen. I have ever seen. I love this top. It fits so well. The 36 definitely is a good size for me. I think a 38 would have also been fine, but I think I like the 36 more, so I am definitely very glad I got the 36. It's very tight, which I do like. I still have all of the tags on the inside. I haven't taken any of the tags off yet, and I don't think I'm going to. Look how big this tag is. And I have to wear this around whenever I wear this because I don't like taking the tags off of these like designer items, like really expensive stuff, because like if I ever wanted to sell this, it would sell for a lot more if it still had the tag attached, you know? If I know I'm never ever gonna sell something, I will remove the tag, but I don't think I'm ever gonna sell this. But like this item I feel like is very sought after, and every time it comes in stock it always gets sold out very quickly. So if I did sell it, I feel like I could sell it for retail price, and then it still has the tags, and it would be great. So yeah, this is the shirt and I'm obsessed. So that's that. And then my other two items are shoes. This one I got from Amazon, and these are a brand, and I did again get these from Amazon, but they also have these in Nordstrom as well. But the reason that I got these from Amazon is because they have like a try before you buy kind of thing, and I really wanted to try these out and see if I liked them, and I am so incredibly obsessed with these. These are by Dolce Vita. I think that's what it's called, and they are the braided square toe, kind of like block heels, if you will, if you will, and they are so insanely beautiful and comfortable. These are, you know, I know I did my heel haul a bit before going to New York, and those brown heels that I mentioned, the ones that I got from Revolve, those ones are really nice. Like, they do not stand up to these. These are probably the most comfortable heels that I have, period. They're like a block heel. They're not like a stiletto or anything, but I like a square toe. I feel like I'm the only person in the fashion world that likes the square toe trend, but I actually really do like it. I don't know why. I just think it looks cool. I don't love a pointed toe. Like a super super pointed toe. It's not my favorite thing. I like more of like a rounded toe, or I really like the square toe. Am I the only one? Please tell me I'm not the only one that likes the square toe. But anyways, these are great. I love these. My last item in this haul, you guys, is my Oxford Doc Martens. I actually did show these in my previous video. It was like a favorites video, but I wanted to put them in here because I never showed them in a haul. So here they are. I won't talk about them too much if you've already seen them, but they are the Doc Martens Oxford shoe, and I got these from Amazon, but they are Doc Marten brand. I just saw them on Amazon and they had a size 8. It was the only size they had in these shoes and I bought them. They are a tiny bit big, but it's not that bad. I'd rather them be a tiny bit big than be too small. These ones are great. They're really comfortable as well. I feel like I may have to break these in on this part, just because when I do walk, it does kind of press up against my foot, on the top of my foot. But I think once I break them in, that won't be an issue anymore. But yeah, these are really nice. I like these a lot. You guys, that has been my haul video. I really hope that you did enjoy it. Let me know in the comments what was your favorite thing from this haul that I did share today. Let me know in the comments what you are loving at this time. Anything that you've gotten recently, just let me know that in the comments. Leave me a comment telling me anything, just because I want to know that. But you guys, again, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you didn't, go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.